going to try something different this winter in our cuddy on the boat. Not familiar with what a cuddy is. It's a small room on a boat. The boat could be 20 feet, 22 feet, up to 30 feet. It could be a cuddy cabin. It could have one motor on the back, or it could have 3 motors on the back, or 4. But it's considered a cuddy cabin if it's just got one room on it. Well, to get this cuddy heated so we can go out more in the winter and maybe spend the night fishing on the boat or out on a cold day, we can come inside the cuddy. And right now I got the doors closed to the rear of the boat. We could come inside. I'm so excited about it, and get warm. So this would be the first time we try to see how it operates and if it's going to be safe in here. So we won't put it on the highest setting. Once we get it started, we're going to put it on the lowest setting and see how that works to heat this up, just to take the chill off me and get back out to fish. Let's see how it works. We got to get it started. Got it working. And boat's at an angle, but still working. See the pilot light there, the green. And I got it on low setting. Low. So high would be too much for this little room. And she gonna get red. And we got a ventilated, well ventilated the room. I could open up that window. I could crack the hatch. Or I could put up this window, crack that window. But I got fresh air coming in the vent in the door. As you can see, that's got quite a good airflow going through that one. You could almost see outside. Plus I got the top hatch open to the door for right now. For a safety factor, I just got a piece of tarp over it. Keep some of the hard wind out. For this particular trial. But normally I wouldn't have that gray tarp over it. It wouldn't be on the boat at all. And I can feel it on my legs. It don't feel super hot. And it's operated by a 1 pound propane bottle. And we don't get any money from it. But the name of it is Portable Buddy. That's the name of the machine. It can come in a larger size. I think it says it can, well, I've seen it advertised on the website for 2 bottles of propane, 1 pound propane. It'll hold 2 bottles. And if you really, really got to heat a room up or a space, and it's not going to be moved that much, you could get an adapter and put a 20 pound propane bottle to it. And it'll hold you for a couple of nights. Keep you warm. It's a pretty good investment. What I failed to get was a thermometer. I'm going to get a thermometer and put in here to see how warm it gets. The before and after temperature on the inside. And see how long it takes to get it up to about 70. Because I'm going to be wrapped up. You heard me? Definitely had the long johns on and a nice thick coat. This coat I got on is a feather down coat. So really, if I got the proper undergarments on and a nice thick sweater, I'm not going to be feeling no wind coming through into my chest area. That's for daggone sure. That they say down south, you heard me? Yeah, she rolling. And I was wondering where to put it, but I'm going to leave it on the step. And when I leave out, I'll just cut it off while I'm out on the deck fishing. And when I get too cold, I come back in and cut it back on and warm up that way. So I don't want to leave it unattended. You heard me? And I'm going to leave it in that spot when I'm using it, because I could put it right there where those shoes are, where my wife's shoes are, and let it blow out across the floor. But I just don't want them side walls and the blanket, the orange blanket or peach, whatever color it is. She get on me about the colors. I don't want that to maybe catch fire or something. So this is pretty good. I can feel it. It's pretty good. Enough to warm it up. And then go ahead and get back out in the cold. And if I got to sleep overnight on the boat, if I decide to do that, and it's below 40, shoot, I'll cut that bad boy on and let it stay on for about half hour. And this boat is pretty insulated, so I close the top hatch up there, close the hatch. And I got my ventilation there. And I got my blankets in here too. Plus what I got on, clothing. Definitely ain't gonna freeze. Yeah. I think that's a good investment. Any comments on it? Hit me in the comments what you think, or any suggestions. Appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching my channel. We really appreciate it. Hang in there with us. More to come.